Hi viewers, you have another trending product that is world famous brand of men care Dove. Dove Men Plus Care Hair Styling Sculpting Paste. Here is its pricing details. You can get it at $5. You can ask any question before buying this product. Here is its design for active lifestyles, textured look with matte finish, used with Dove Men Plus Care Hair Care Regimen. Its product description: Dove Men Plus Care styling aids are engineered specifically for men's hair, giving it a stronger and more resilient style so that it can keep up with men's active lifestyles no matter what the day brings. Here is its features and details. Dove Men Plus Care Sculpting Paste creates textured styles with a matte finish that can be reshaped and restyled throughout the day. Textured look, medium hold, matte finish, sculpting paste. Non-stiff paste formula. Hair paste that creates textured styles with a matte finish, medium hold, sculpting paste, hair product, natural look. Here is its item weight: 3.36 ounces. Customer reviews have reached 4.5 out of 5 stars. Best sellers rank at 1624 in beauty and personal care. Here is its important information, safety information, ingredients and directions. You can get customer question section. How does this compare to Crew Fiber? I personally like it better. Crew Fiber leaves your hair with a wet or close look. Crew tends to drip down throughout the day. Check the another question. Does this have long-lasting hold? Yes, and great in humidity. How do you apply this product in your hair? It's really great product. I apply it by simply placing a small amount in the palm of my hand, rubbing my two hands together to get an even distribution, and then turning my fingers through my damp hair. Is it water-based? Or how hard is it to wash off? This product is in fact water-based, with the first ingredient listed being water or aqua. Ingredients, however, are subject to change from time to time, so we suggest using the Contact Us page on our website. It is the reply from manufacturer. Now come towards reviews of this product. You can see stretch is given 4.6 out of 5 stars. Value for money has 4.5. Packaging is given 4.4. Easy to clean has 4.3, and scent has 4.2 out of 5 stars. Here is its top reviews. Great value, affordable hair products for adults with low scent. Works well but too much fragrance. So here you also get dissatisfaction of the customers. Was impressed with this product. Performs comparably to high-end products. Just be careful when it cleans. Definitely does not hold. You get what you pay for. It's good for the price. Top international reviews. Easier than expected. Give an awesome hold thanks. Good product. genial alternate Vita All Gel. It has a really good hold and a nice matte finish. So here we end up with our tutorial video. You can get link of our website for more trendy products in the description.